4 guys on the teams, guys, the 2 youngest captain guys, and they did well, folks, in taking part, guys. Give it up for our two big sisters right now. And right now we have 2 gold medals to present to these ladies right now. This is a gold. This is a gold with platinum, diamond plus. You got diamond plus. This you got pinnacle on this. You got everything on it. You are amazing. Alrighty. High five. High five. Miss Attitude, you did well. Let me tell you that. Alrighty. Here you go. High five. High five. High five. Come on, don't leave me hanging. Hello? Hello? There it is, alright? I know for all the team members, guys, you are walking away with one of the most precious prizes on the cruise. A keychain! Alright, so everybody come and get a keychain, alright? Because this is amazing, alright, guys? You guys did well, alright? And of course, yes, you both will get a keychain as well, alright? One for assist, one for you. Oh, you can give me that. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you so much. It's all about fun right here, folks, and I hope you guys enjoy watching these guys. It's all about fun, guys, alright? And I hope you guys have a good time, guys. And I had a great time hosting this event, folks. No, I'm